Alright, y'all, today is August 4th, 2021. We're going to take a quick little stroll through this garden here and see what's ready to harvest. I've actually been out here already. And before I show you what I picked already, let's take a quick look at these melons. Okay, look at this here. Alright, see that there? That's ready there. Let me grab that thing. That's a cantaloupe. It's a cantaloupe here. It's ready to go. Alright, they break themselves loose. See there? See how they start out green, but then they turn kind of yellowish looking. Anyway, this one is actually starting to split right there, so that's the bin ready. So I got me a paper bag out here, a shopping sack. Got a shopping sack, so put that in the shopping sack. All right, what else ready? What else ready? I know I had one down here. I don't know if it's ready yet. Where's that thing at? Oh, okay. There it is. Still like green, so it's not ready yet. See these melons, this watermelon here. That's one. It's not ready yet. Got a cluster of melons here. One, well, not a cluster, just two of them, right? Got one down there. It's the biggest one over there. Or is it that? I don't know. They both pretty decent size. But we'll let those stay out here just a little bit longer. But got one against the fence right here, don't we? Y'all see that? I can't see myself. Right there. Right yonder. Alright, so let me take a look at this one, see if it's ready yet. Nah. See, once they get ready, this here start to thin out, even start to dry out. It's not quite ready yet, but with these cantaloupes, I got a few of those ready. Anyway, so it's way more melons than what I just showed y'all there. I'm pretty sure it's probably at least 10 or 15 though. This is my sweet potato slips that I've been too lazy to transplant. It's a lot of sweet potato slips that's grown. Anyway, let's take a look at these potatoes. So I came out here the other day just to see if they were ready. I think I had a couple of them over here somewhere that's ready. Y'all see that? Look at that. It's a potato right there. See that? That's a ready potato. All right, popping out the ground. Cover it back up until I go to come out here and get the rest of them. But there's a lot of potatoes out under there, so we got a lot of potatoes this year. Still got a few green beans growing. This is the last round. You can see them starting to die out. The foliage is starting to die. Still got some kale left. I haven't been eating that much kale because I'm on a diet that consists of a lot of carbs, so I don't want to be bloated, so I'm not eating very many vegetables right now. Everything's kind of starting to die out. You see the squash is gone. A couple of little vines left from the spaghetti squash. And we do have a few that's over there. I might be able to get around there and show y'all that. But let's check this out first. This is what I've harvested so far. This one here is very sweet. Look at it. It's been attacked. See that? It's kind of soft and kind of holes at the bottom. So this one might go in the trash. But I put it in a sack for now. So we're bagging groceries. These are a few cucumbers. Look like the last feeder we're gonna grow. We'll make sure it's not any more cucumbers over here. I don't see any over here. A little small one there. See a little small one there. I'll leave it just a little longer. Let me see. See one over there. So let me get on that side. Take my shopping bag with me. That's a spaghetti squash right here. We got one growing right there. One growing there. Here's a pretty big one. It's a pretty big one there. I think that's about it. Let's see. Yeah, that was it. Just those 3. At least I think that's it. Yeah. That's all we're gonna get too, because those things are starting to die out. Got a small little cucumber here by my shoe. Kind of hard to get back here. We have a melon here that's, I think is about ready. We'll have to sit just a little bit longer. I seen a cucumber. Oh, here it is. Got a cucumber here. I'm gonna go and pick that one. Snap it off the vine, just like that. This is a cantaloupe. Got a little green on it. We'll let it stay here just a little bit longer. Let's get around this side here. So that's a green one there. Got a green one over here. Back up in there. I see a couple of yellow ones over there. I'll see about 4 actually. Here, one here. It snapped off very easy. Saw that? As soon as I grabbed the vine, it just snapped off. So I just set that back here. We'll get it. Once I bag up. Let me see. Yeah, I see one here. Look at that. See that vine there? See how it's snapping off right there? See, well, just barely moving. Came off. That means it's done. Ready. See, that's just on the crack open right there at the bottom. So we got that just in time. Oh, let me see this one here. Yep. Came off very easy. Still got a little green on it, but it appears to be ready. Let's see. How about you? We'll let you hang out a little bit longer. All right, one here, kind of yellowish looking. Yep, you broke off already. See that? Came off itself. These things are not very big, but they don't have to be big. As long as it's food, that's all that matters. Cantaloupes is not a very big melon anyway, but considering that they are 100% organic and heirloom. That they're not going to be as big as the genetically modified stuff. As I'm looking, I think that's about it for now. I think those melons will be done over the next week or two. Let me look at this one again. Yeah, okay. I'll leave it out there. So, take these 4 here and put these guys in my sack. Right there. Alright. Hard to reach it. My wife loves oh, well, look one there. Did I look at this one already? Yeah, I think I did. No way, I look at, yeah, that one ready. It just snapped out pretty easy. That's ready. Plus it's on a crack anyway, so of course it's done. Ready. Alright, so that's what I got so far. I don't know what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Probably about 8 or 9 of them. Oh, I'm gonna say about 7 or 8. Let me get out of here. All right. That kale started growing back, but again, insects came back and attacked it. So I'm not worried about it. So I think this week I'm gonna try to get out here and get these potatoes out of the ground. At least the white potatoes. As far as the sweet potatoes, they are over there. Sweet potato slips. And I got a few sweet potatoes here. That sweet potato vines that rooted themselves inside the ground. So I bet you we probably got a few sweet potatoes growing over here too. But I think that's it, y'all. I may hit this thing with some water today. No, you know what? It rained yesterday, so I ain't gotta worry about today. I hit it with some water tomorrow. It looked bad. It looked very bad. And of course, this is the end of it. So over the next, probably the next 3 or 4 weeks, a lot of this stuff have been probably died off. Besides the chard and the sweet potato slips. Other than that, everything else will be gone. And I may replant some more stuff. I don't know. Maybe I will. I've been kind of lazy lately. Too busy with other endeavors. So, but it's important to try to grow some food. It saves money. It saves our life, eating things you grow yourself as opposed to buying it out of the store, not knowing what's in it or who grew it or how they grew it. Anyway, so let me grab my little backyard groceries here and head back in the house. Thank y'all for joining me. Let me bag y'all out. Again, as I always say, take care of yourself, stay healthy, and stay away from GMOs. I'll see y'all next time. Be good. All right, y'all, I'm back. Let me just show y'all, exactly how many cantaloupes and cucumbers I put out the garden. So we got one here, and this is the one that was already split open. I said, probably throw away. I just wanted to take a look in the inside just to see how it looked. And hey, look, it looked like cantaloupe. Smell like it. Haven't tasted. I'm not going to taste that one because it may be bad. But anyway, so we got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cantaloupes. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cucumbers. Not so bad, y'all. Not a bad year here. We got some good food this year. Got a pretty nice harvest. Okay, over the last few months. Not a few months, over the last few weeks. But anyway, just wanted to show y'all exactly what I got and how it looks. Anyway, y'all, thanks for joining me. And again, as always, stay healthy, stay fit, stay away from GMOs. See y'all next time.